7 ways. This bill is crushing red state economies. What if I told you the new budget bill is crushing red state economies in 7 devastating ways? This isn't just about numbers in Washington, it's about your jobs, your healthcare, and your community. Before we break it down, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for urgent updates that matter to you. Share your experience in the comments. The Social Security Insider's Report is here to help you fight back. Let's get started. Medicaid cuts decimate rural healthcare. First, the bill slashes billions from Medicaid, the backbone of healthcare in red states. With up to 12 million Americans expected to lose coverage, rural hospitals, many of which are already on the brink of collapse, face imminent closure. Seniors, people with disabilities, and working families could lose access to doctors and life-saving care. Second, SNAP cuts drive up hunger and hurt local businesses. Deep cuts to SNAP, or food stamps, mean more families and seniors will go hungry, but it doesn't stop there. SNAP dollars circulate through local grocery stores, farmers markets, and small businesses. Every dollar cut is a dollar lost from your community's economy. Third, new work requirements in the budget bill push vulnerable residents off benefits. New work requirements for Medicaid and SNAP force millions to prove 80 hours of work each month. Seniors, caregivers, and people with chronic conditions may fall through the cracks, losing benefits not because they're unwilling but because the paperwork and red tape are overwhelming. Fourth, out-of-pocket costs skyrocket for low-income and middle-class residents. The bill allows states to charge Medicaid recipients new fees for doctor visits and lab tests. In red states, these costs could be hundreds of dollars a year, money that many don't have. You think the first 4 results of the budget bill are bad, wait until you see the next 3. But before we continue, a quick word from our sponsor. Are you looking for a flexible and rewarding way to earn an income from home? Become a non-attorney representative and assist individuals in navigating the Social Security disability process. No special license required. We provide expert training, resources, and ongoing support so you can launch your own business from anywhere. Ready to change lives and build a meaningful career? Visit www.essahelp.com or check the link in the description. Take your first step today. Opportunities like this don't wait. Welcome back. Number 5 is a tragedy that could last for years. Small farmers and rural economies are going to suffer a devastating financial hit. SNAP cuts and changes to farm subsidies hurt small and mid-sized farmers. Fewer SNAP dollars mean less spending at local farm stands and markets, while new subsidies primarily benefit the most prominent and wealthiest agribusinesses, leaving family farms behind. 6. Job losses ripple through red state communities. These are the very folks who voted for Trump and fell for his empty promises. Remember when Trump and his morally corrupt team cleverly distracted many of these Republican voters with the possibility of a race war? This ploy worked perfectly because these same voters were entirely blindsided by the class war that is now devastating their communities. 7th, when hospitals close and SNAP dollars disappear, even more jobs are lost. Healthcare workers, grocers, and farm employees all face layoffs, deepening the economic pain in already struggling rural areas. Red state local governments and services are strained to their core as federal dollars dry up. Local governments are left scrambling to fund essential services, such as police, fire, schools, and emergency care. Many communities will have to raise taxes or cut services to survive. While the red states brought these tragedies upon themselves, it's not too late to reverse course. This is not the time to sit back. Here's how you can fight back, starting today. Organize local advocacy groups, rally your neighbors, demand emergency meetings, and make your voices heard at every level. Flood lawmakers with calls and visits. Don't just email. Storm your representative's office, attend town hall meetings, and public events. Demand protection for your hospitals, schools, and benefits. Partner with advocacy groups. Join forces with organizations fighting these cuts. I'll provide a list of these organizations in the video description. Mobilize media and social networks. Share your story, write to local news outlets, and use social media to make the crisis visible. Support local relief efforts. Volunteer at food banks, support rural clinics, and assist neighbors in navigating benefit changes. The big murder budget bill is hitting red states the hardest, but together, we can fight back. Comment below with your story or ideas. Let's build a movement that can't be ignored. Like, subscribe, and share this video to rally your community. The Social Security Insiders Report is your ally. Stay informed, stay strong, and let's protect what matters most. Thank you for watching.